Alright guys, and welcome to this particular video. So quickly, let's check out our Metamask airdrop. That is the linear token distribution, because the distribution just took place and you can now find out the amount of linear token that has been allocated to your own particular account. All right, so right now, before we talk about that, please, if you are coming across my channel for the first time or you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscription button down below. Please like the video, share and comment. It keeps me motivated to make even more content for you guys. So right now, to check your allocation, you all already know the first thing you need to do is to open your Metamask app. Make sure your Metamask is on the latest version. Then go ahead and click on the reward page. Once you click on it, this is what you're going to be seeing. Of course, you are going to be seeing your linear allocation, and of course you'll be seeing your exclusive other side avatar and 20% off Nansen Pro. So right now guys, you can see we have 11 days I think before the claiming starts. So over here, when you click on a linear token right now, linear allocation rather, you can see this is your earning right here. On this particular account, I have got 656.21821 linear token. That is approximately 656 linear token airdrop. All right, so select the account where you would like the reward sent. So right now they're asking you to select account where you are going to be where you would like for your reward to be sent. All right. So when you click on this right now, you can see different accounts right here. Okay, but I'm going with this one. I need it to be sent to this particular account. So this is what I earn. So let me know on the comment section how many let me know your allocation right there on the comment section. So when you click on continue right now, it will register that your address has been confirmed. So right now, let me show you my second account, which is this particular account right here. No, not that one. Okay, this particular account right here. Let me show you what I have on it. So over here right now, don't bother that best. This is fake, guys. I don't have up to this amount, guys. This is fake. I mean, it is glitch. Look at the token that did that. All right, it is glitch. I don't have up to $2 million, guys. I beg. So you can see this was the token right here. I know this is not part of the video deal, but I saw it and I have to clear you guys. This is glitch. I don't have up to this amount. This is $2 million. So when I try to swap this particular token that did this much, you will see that I won't be able to swap it. So that is crypto. Sometimes a token price will just boom push up, and at the end of the day it is totally worthless. So right now, when I click on swapping the maximum amount, you can see that there is no route. That is, there is no way I can swap this. So let me go back to the major business of the day. So I just want to clear that. Okay, so on this my second account right now, when I click on reward to see my own linear token allocation from the Metamask airdrop that we all participated on, when I click on it, you can see that on this particular account I've got 4,621 linear on this particular account. So that is just all about this particular video. All right, so if you participated on the linear airdrop, just go ahead right now and check out your own allocation. So Bitcoin price, oh my god, what's going on, guys? Bitcoin price is seriously going down, like seriously going down. So I want to check something right here to see if it has appeared right here. Okay, just bear with me. Linear, let's see what we're gonna have right here. Let's check out the price of linear right here. So this is the current price of linear, the linear token. So for example, if I should check my total worth, 4,000. Okay, let me just go by 4,000. You can see that currently it's worth just $14. I mean, it's not much, but it is something. So this is all you need to know right now about the linear airdrop, and expect more price dump, because once people start claiming, they are still going to sell it. Okay, so this is all you need to know right now about the linear token airdrop. All right, so check out your allocation, and right now we wait until the date for the claiming. Once the claiming starts, I will be updating you guys also. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll be talking to you on the next video dropping very soon.